Average rate of change, M&M quiz 2100. Based on the graph provided, what is the average rate of change of the function, call it M, from x equals -1 to x equals +1? Is change in y over change in x, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Is it A, 0, B, 1, C, 2, D, 4? X equals -1 is right here, and when x equals -1, what is y? Y is, you go up and see what y is. We have the y and we measure that. And what is that y? Just 1. Y is equal to 1. Now you go to the other x value that is given, which is +1. X equals +1. When x is equal to +1, and that is +1. So we have -1, 1, +1, 1. Here is x1, y1. Here is x2, y2. Once you have x1, y1, and x2, y2, then average rate of change of the function is change in y over change in x. y1 is equal to 1, y2 is equal to 1. So what is change in y as you go from 1 to 1? 0. Our x goes from -1 to +1. So what is our change? It is 2. So change in y is 0. So no matter what change in x is, because change in y is equal to 0, 0 divided by anything is equal to 0. So our average rate of change of the function is actually 0. Means what? Between this point and this point, we really have not made any money. -1, x equal to -1, y is equal to 1. X equals +1, y is equal to 1. What is change in y? 0. What is change in x? 1 minus -1, which is 2. So what is slope? For a horizontal line, slope is 0. You know that. So change in y is 0. So it is 0 divided by 2, and that is 0. So we are okay with this one. And this is George Mathew, always welcoming you to HECANHELP.com. Good luck.